Have you ever wondered why humans as a species are so deeply intertwined with social interactions and how it affects our brain? This question is at the heart of Matthew D. Lieberman's book, Social. Lieberman, a renowned social neuroscientist, dives deep into the intricacies of our social brain, shedding light on how our neural circuitry has evolved to make us the most socially adept creatures on the planet. Our brains, it appears, are hardwired for connection. This isn't just a metaphorical concept, but a biological reality. Our neural networks, those intricate webs of nerve cells communicating with each other, are tuned in to the social world around us. This social wiring doesn't just exist, it shapes who we are. It influences our values, molds our beliefs, and guides our daily actions. It's a fascinating journey through our gray matter, revealing the profound impact of our social nature on our brains. So it seems our brains are indeed built for social connection. But how does this social wiring impact our lives? Did you know social pain and pleasure can affect us just as profoundly as physical pain and pleasure? Let's dive deeper into this fascinating concept as presented in Matthew D. Lieberman's book, Social. Our brains are wired to respond to social interactions, and these responses can have a profound impact on our emotions and overall well-being. Lieberman's research showcases how social pain, such as rejection or exclusion, can be as deeply felt as physical pain. Imagine the sting of a bee. That's how real social pain can feel. On the flip side, our brains also respond to social rewards. Acceptance, inclusion, and positive social interactions can light up our brains like a fireworks display, bringing us immense joy. Think about the last time you felt truly valued and included in a group. Didn't it feel like eating your favorite dessert after a long day? That's the power of social pleasure. Through his research, Lieberman argues that we, as social beings, are designed to both seek social rewards and avoid social pain. This dynamic interplay is fundamental to our existence, shaping our behaviors, decisions, and the way we navigate our social world. So next time you feel a pang of rejection or the thrill of acceptance, remember this. These experiences are not just in your head. They are a real, tangible part of your human experience. It's clear that our social experiences carry a significant weight in our lives. But what happens when we ignore or suppress these social needs? Ignoring or suppressing our social needs can have serious consequences, don't you think? As per the insightful findings of Matthew D. Lieberman, we humans are social creatures by nature. When we neglect this inherent need for social connection, the effects can be quite detrimental. Let's talk about isolation and loneliness, for instance. These are not just emotional states, they have a profound impact on our mental and physical health. In fact, long-term loneliness can lead to a host of health issues, from heart disease and stroke to depression and anxiety. It's as if our body is sounding an alarm bell, signaling that our social needs are not being met. And it's not just about warding off negative health effects. Social connection plays a vital role in our overall well-being. Just as a plant needs sunlight to thrive, we need social interaction to flourish. When we feel connected to others, we experience lower stress levels, improved mood, and even enhanced cognitive performance. In essence, we are hardwired to connect with others. And when we ignore this primal need, our health takes a hit. It's like trying to operate a car without oil. It might work in the short term, but eventually it's going to break down. Therefore, it's crucial to embrace our social nature, not just for our happiness, but for our overall health. So, what does all this mean for us living in an increasingly connected world? In essence, it underscores the profound significance of social connections in our day-to-day lives. Throughout this discussion, we've delved into the fascinating world of our social brains, discovering how they are intrinsically wired to connect with others. This innate drive to bond and interact is not merely a product of our culture or upbringing, but an inherent part of our biology. We've also explored the potent influence of social pain and pleasure, revealing how these emotional experiences can shape our behavior, our decisions, and even our overall well-being. Whether we are aware of it or not, these social sensations permeate every aspect of our existence, profoundly influencing us at every turn. In the end, embracing our social nature and nurturing our relationships can lead to a healthier, happier life. After all, we are undeniably social creatures.